want to let you guys know how this works to pick up your keys after hours. We have two lock boxes, black and white. So you may get an email or notification for us about which one. And to use them, all you do is flip this up, and inside here we've got numbers 1 through 9, including 0. And right now I have this one set for our phone number, which is 0409. It does not matter what sequence they're in, and it does not matter if you push them twice. So in this situation, 0409 is only going to be 3 digits. And just this way, there's an open lever and there's a clear lever. I press 049 and I press the open lever, and I can take it out, and inside there is where you will find your keys. Now, the way this works, there's only one, it only allows you to open it one time. So you got to press 049 to open it again. Let's say you screw it up for whatever reason, you press the clear, slide that down and it resets. Now you can press it again. And you can clear, and you can press it any other order you want. You can go 904. Whatever it is just an example. And the white one operates exactly the same way.